Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me fix my camera here. I'm up and dressed. We done got the kids off to school and me and Honey off today. So we're gonna go and have us a little breakfast and spend some little quality time together this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my supplement. Take my supplement before we head out. So yeah, so we're gonna go and have some breakfast. Since both of us are off. Well, I go in tonight at 11:30, but might as well say I'm off because I will be in bed by this time, by 11:30 anyway. So, yeah. So let me give y'all a little look at my outfit today. I'm all natural today. I ain't put no makeup on or nothing. All natural. I don't wear makeup like that anyway, so. But yeah, let me fix my mirror here so y'all can see. Okay. So here's the outfit. Okay, I got this shirt. This shirt is from Shein, this sweater. Jeans are from Burlington. When we went to Dallas for his birthday, we went to Burlington and I bought these in there. And then, of course, I got on my Champions, my pink Champions to match my shirt. So, yeah, this is the fit for today. Something just comfortable or whatever. Yeah, so we're going to go out and have breakfast this morning. He hasn't never eaten breakfast at Cracker Barrel, but I have. So he was wanting to go check out Cracker Barrel. So that's where we'll be going. And y'all, I'm loving my curtains. I know y'all, I showed y'all last night, but I'm really loving them. And I don't know if I showed y'all my little curtain tie backs. They are so cute. Yes. So, okay. So, we finna get ready and get out of here. And, oh, forgot my scent. Got to put me a scent on. Let me see what scent I'm gonna wear today. Hold on, y'all. Let me set y'all up. All right. I think I'm gonna wear one of my new scents.
What'd she say?
I'm gonna wear Billie Eilish. Smells so good.
Yeah.
It's my husband in there on the phone with his sister. She stays in North Carolina. She's on her way here, so. Yes, so that is the scent for today. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So we'll catch y'all at Cracker Barrel. got in from the grocery store. Kids say they hungry. They out of school today because of bad weather. And my other son just called me and told me that it's snowing up there in Fort Worth. But it's not snowing here. It was supposed to snow, but only thing here is it's rainy and it's real cold. So they scared about the roads getting icy and stuff like that. So they didn't want that. So they canceled school for the kids. They canceled it for them today. And then as I was going to the grocery store, I got another call saying that they canceled it for tomorrow as well. So yeah, so I just went to the grocery store to get them some food because they say they're hungry. And I had a few things in there, but we even though it's 11:58 in the morning, they still finna get breakfast food because they love breakfast food. They'll eat breakfast food all day if I let them. But yeah, so I ran to the store and got some stuff. So yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, these are heavy. I end up going to Aldi's, and I'm glad I went to Aldi's instead of H-E-B. Like, Aldi's is so cheap and reasonable. I got a bunch of stuff for just like $24. I got my kids love these hash browns. Got me some creamer for my coffee. And then I got some iced coffee as well. So yeah. Some biscuits, which I already have some biscuits in there, but I got some more because, of course, again, they're out of school tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure they're going to eat those up because there ain't nothing but like 8 biscuits in there. And they'll go through them real quick. And I was going to make some spaghetti tonight. So got some spaghetti sauce, 2 bottles of that. Some breakfast sausage. Some whipped cream because they love drinking hot chocolate when it's cold outside. So I got them some hot chocolate. I got them some hot chocolate, but I got them some whipped cream to go on top of the hot chocolate. And of course, these high-ass eggs. These eggs was $4.48, I think. $4.48 or $4.58. It don't matter, they high. And I got 2 boxes though, but all this stuff actually came out to like $24, which is crazy. That's why I like going to Aldi's. I don't get a lot. Some of their stuff I don't get, but I get a lot of their stuff. So all that was $24. I think I did good for $24 with that. Oh, and I got a gallon of milk, which is over there on the table. So I'm finna get these kids some food cooked and stuff like that. And yeah, so they can eat breakfast. And what's so crazy about it, I just so happen to be off today and tomorrow. So the bad weather days fell on my off days. I would like to have been here by myself, but you know how they go. When school's out, school is out. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm going to show y'all this picture my son sent me. I don't know if y'all can see. It's through his blinds at his apartment. You can see all that snow on the ground, on somebody's car and everything. It's really pretty. But, yeah, that snow. We Texas folks ain't used to all that. But I'm finna get this basically brunch started for these kids so they can eat. And matter of fact, I'm working on a vlog, editing a vlog, and then I'm gonna get back to editing my vlog or whatever. But I wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know what I got going on today. So yeah. The kids are sitting down, finna eat. Look at this one. I forgot to tell y'all I had my niece with me too, because she's out of school and her mom had to work, so she's here. And of course, Nico, I'm dog sitting. This is my best friend's dog. She, let me turn the camera around. Was getting her tub resurfaced or whatever in her apartment, and it couldn't be nobody in the apartment, so she asked me to dog sit. And of course the kids love dogs, and so she brought him over here, and he been here for what, 2 days now, Daniel? 2 days now, because you know, because of the roads is bad and stuff like that. I told her don't worry about coming to get him, just leave him here. The kids are enjoying him, and she brought him extra dog food, so he's here. I'm dog sitting, so yeah. Now he crawling around the table looking for food when he got his own food over there, but I'm not feeding him no regular food. I don't want him to upset his stomach or whatever, so watch out, y'all. Nico's under that table. Don't step on him. But yeah, so kids is finna eat. I'm finna eat me something and then take my meds and just chill out for the rest of the day. Ain't much that we can do with the bad weather. Can't go nowhere, can't do nothing but stay in the house. The kids got their devices. They good. So, all right, we'll holler at y'all later. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's been a minute since I picked up this camera. I think it's been a few days. Matter of fact, it's been probably about a week since I last picked up the camera. And last time I picked up the camera, I think it was when the kids was out of school because of the ice storm or whatever. But I really didn't do much. Ain't been doing much. So, but yeah. So I guess it's probably why I didn't pick up the camera. But only thing I did do was exciting. Well, really wasn't exciting for me, but went to the dentist. I had a dentist appointment I wanted to take y'all, but I was kind of in a rush and I never did take y'all with me, but kind of glad I did. Oh, excuse me. But girl, that was the most horrible dentist appointment I've ever had. I used to have I used to be with this other dentist office, which was really good, but they no longer took my insurance, so I had to find me a new dentist office. So I tried to find somewhere close by my house so I wouldn't have to travel so far, which the other dentist office wasn't very far, but so I found this one dentist office not too far from the house, like kind of literally around the corner or whatever, but yeah, so I went, you know, yesterday was my first dentist appointment with them. I just needed a cleaning or whatever. But when I tell y'all that damn dentist, oh Lord, she damn near killed me. You know how they supposed to numb your mouth with the cream first before they do your cleaning or whatever. So she put the cream around my mouth. Usually the other dentist that I had, she would at least let it sit for a minute. Well, it was a guy. He would let it sit for about a minute, let it, you know, numb my mouth, and then they would inject to make, you know, take the needle and injector to make it even more numb. This woman, she just went around my mouth with the cream and then set the Q-tip down that she put the cream in my mouth with, grabbed the needle and started poking. When I tell y'all, like they came up off that damn chair, oh my God, that was the worst dental experience I ever had. And when she was cleaning, it was just hurting so bad. And I was like, ooh, she was like, you want me to stop? I was like, no, just do it, get it over with so I can get up out of here. Baby, I will never in life go back there again. They scheduled me for a 6-month follow-up. I don't even think I'm going back. I think I'm going to go look for me another dentist, because that's the most horrible dentist experience I have ever had. Baby, never again. Like, and I don't have issues with pain when I go to the dentist. Like I say, with the other dental office, they was real gentle with you, take their time with you or whatever. Them, I won't be going back. So I'm in the process of already looking for me a new dentist. But they did a good job now with cleaning my teeth. But I won't be going back to them. But so today what I got planned, I gotta go to work at 3:30, which will be my last day at work before I start my vacation. Which today is Friday, February 10th. And so tomorrow I'm having my baby girl's birthday party. So today I'm finna, once I get through getting myself together, I'm going there, get up. Well, they ain't there watching TV, so I'm gonna make her get up so I can wash her hair. And I wanted to get her hair braided for her birthday party, but I waited kind of too late to kind of make an appointment. So unless I can get my cousin girlfriend, which she braids her, to see if she'd braid her hair for me. So probably just up in like 2 braids going down or something like that, something real quick and easy. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash her hair, and I'm gonna wash my other daughter's hair too, but washing both of their hair in the same day, it'll take all day. So I'm just gonna do baby girl hair first. It's her birthday party tomorrow. Her birthday's actually on Sunday the 12th, but we doing the party on Saturday because Sunday I'm going to a Super Bowl party, but I will take y'all there with me, and also to my baby's birthday party. So yeah, so I'm finna get myself together and I'm finna go in here and wash her hair. So, and if y'all wonder why they out of school today, which is a Friday, I don't know what's going on with their school. Every other Friday seem like they are out of school. They make it some kind of student holiday and Teacher's Day. So it kind of worked out for me though, because like I said, I got to get her hair washed and stuff like that. But yeah, they've been making it like every other Friday they out of school for, I don't know. But yeah, so they're out of school today. And I'm gonna go in here and tackle this hair, because both of them got a lot of hair and it's thick. So I have to detangle their hair first, wash it, and then detangle it again. That's why it takes me so long to do their hair. But that's why I have to do each one separate days. So let me get in here and tackle this hair. Okay, I'm through detangling. What I do is just like put it in little sections and put it in little rubber bands so I can start blow drying each little section, because her hair's so thick. I have to just section it off, detangle, put it in a little ponytail, and then start blow drying. This is what I have to deal with. All this hair. Gosh, she looked at me. Oh God. But yeah, and then I gotta do another head, which is my oldest daughter. Whew. Pray for me. The front door. So I decided to check my Amazon account to see if her birthday fit came. So I go to the door. Well, I checked it on my phone, and of course, Mahogany, pause that. Go pause that. Go pause your phone, your tablet.
And look, I got my new package.
And she got her package.
I'm gonna try it on to let y'all see. But look at my new hair.
It's not finished, but yeah. Come on, open it up. Let me see. Get right here. Open it up.
So open it up and then try it on.
Now she open it up.
Let me go get some scissors.
Not try it on right yet, because I gotta finish her hair.
No.
Go get the scissors so you can.
Hold up. Okay. She got it. She got it. Scissors got it. Coming on the way. Thank you.
Be careful with those. Watch your finger. You might hurt your finger, Mahogany. Be careful. let's see. Open it up. Let's see what you got.
Well, I got a little headband that has mermaid tails on it because I'm the queen. And I got my dress.
Ooh, so pretty.
And now I'm going to try it on.
No, because I got to finish your hair. Once I finish your hair, then you can try it on.
I want to try it on.
Okay, go ahead and try it on. You better hurry up, because I see.
Oh.
Ooh, pretty. Now I'm gonna have to buy you a really cute bow to go with your in your hair. To go with your.
Wait, do we have like a mermaid bow?
No, but I'll find her one. Okay, let's finish getting your hair done. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's the next day. We are up and dressed. We have to go get party stuff for the birthday party. I gotta go get paper plates, party plates. What else? A tablecloth. What else? I got my little list right here. Little centerpiece. Gotta go get some balloons. And yeah, so we gotta go get all that stuff and get Mahogany something to wear. Michaela has her birthday outfit, but Mahogany needs something to wear. And I also want to go get go to the beauty supply store and get a hot comb. Just kind of comb through their hair with the hot comb, kind of straighten it a little bit more, so I can style it a little bit better. So yeah, so y'all come along and go with us to the store and get those things. We'll probably go to like the dollar store, and I do need to stop by the beauty supply store, and where else? And DD's, right? Okay, so yeah. But before we leave, I'm gonna grab me one of my scents for the day. I want to put on. You like this one? The Paco Rabanne, Fame by Paco Rabanne. This one smells so good. So, all right. Come here, Michaela, so you can get some perfume. But so we'll see you guys in the store. Okay, so her theme is mermaid, and here is a mermaid balloon.
You want that, Miguel? No, this balloon
You
right
want this
here?
mermaid balloon? And get this mermaid balloon. And
Balloons checked up.
here, I got a pin in my pocket
A pin for what?
to check
To
off
check
on the
it
stuff. Okay, let me see what else we need.
Plates.
Plates. Yeah, let's find some cute
Oh,
plates.
I want the
Do you?
princess.
The princess? Okay, grab them.
Because I'm a little tiny princess.
No, you just need one.
Put one back.
Because it's 16 plates in there, so that's enough. The centerpiece.
Huh?
Do you want a centerpiece like that?
But like a mermaid or something.
I don't know if they have any mermaid ones. So we just gotta see.
What about this one?
Let me see. Happy birthday. That's pretty.
KK, come here.
KK, you like this one?
It's like
You wanna
this
say
one,
happy
but
birthday?
different. Happy birthday. You see, look. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You want that one?
Do you want it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Well, get it and put it in the basket.
Which one's that one?
Some of those bags so we can. You want those? Look, Michaela.
You want the
this one?
purple, the
You want
pink
those
stars,
or the pink
or
stars?
the purple stars?
Or the- yeah. You want?
Yeah, come on.
Come on. There.
Okay, those
And
are...
then. Okay, here, get some beads. Here, get some of those beads, girls, so we can put it in the goodie bags.
These?
No, beads, baby. Those. right there.
Oh, yeah.
Get 2 packs of those. Okay. Okay, we threw in the dollar store. We finna head back to the house though, because we literally around the corner from the house. My husband called and was like, make sure you don't buy nothing to eat. I already got y'all something to eat, and I stopped and got y'all Starbucks. So we're gonna go to the house, pick up our Starbucks and our food, and then we're gonna go run to DD's, and then I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store. Then after that, we will be. Ooh, it's dark in here.
And then can we get our nails done?
No, girl, we ain't got time for all that. And then we will be heading back to the house, and I'm just kind of straightening out their hair a little bit more to try to fix it the way I want it done. So how they want it done. Michaela want a mohawk, and I'm not sure how Mahogany wanted hers done, but yeah. So we're gonna head back to the house, go get our Starbucks and food, and then we run a couple of more errands, and then we'll be done. So yeah, I'm supposed to pick the cake up at 1. It's about 11:45, so we still got time for that. And usually, you know, even if you don't come right at the time they tell you, as long as it's before they close, and you know the cake is at HEB, so the cake department don't close till late. But her party is at 3, so we got plenty of time to get it. So we're finna go and do what we need to do, and then we'll hit you guys back once we get into DD's. Just to straighten your hair out a little bit more. Okay, this one.
Mommy, can we look in that area while you're doing this?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay, great. Okay.
Hey, here's the birthday girl. Let me see, turn around, let me see your outfit. She looks pretty, doesn't she? Here's her cake. It's a mermaid cake. It matches her little mermaid outfit. It says happy birthday, Michaela. Now we're about to set up the party table.
I do this right now. I do this.
Yeah. Because the rest of them shoes. Child, yeah. All right, we finna.
Birthday girl.
Yeah, we finna get ready to play some games and have some fun. We waiting on a few more other people though. Hey.
birthday, baby. You got it?
Michaela,
It's my birthday.
turn, let me see you. Ooh, nice, mama. Good.
Mahogany.
Wait, who gives us this? It's more slime. Who gave us this?
It's hers.
Yo, look. Who gave it to her?
Oh, Crystal.
I got
See a
two
bad
of them.
bug? Hey, KK. See a bad bug?
Let me see.
A bathroom.
Do you know how to use it? Yeah, we have one before.
Oh, look what I found. It was just laying on the floor.
Yeah.
I'm going to use this so I get back home. Oh, she got so much.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kind of odd. I think it's because it's baby girl's birthday. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Mwah. Yeah, I'm finna cook breakfast for her and the family, but it's, well, actually brunch because it's afternoon. It's after 12, so it's 12:10, but I'm finna cook breakfast, again, brunch for the family. And I'm gonna make these cute little heart-shaped waffles for her birthday. And yeah, then my husband just went to, I don't know if y'all have an Ollie's in y'all area, but they have all kinds of house stuff like, you know, yard equipment, like patio equipment, like you can buy stuff in bulk. They have just all kinds of stuff. But he went to Ollie's and he seen these chairs. We're trying to fix our back patio up, so he found these cute chairs. They were just like $20 a piece. So let me show y'all. These are the chairs. So all we got to do now is find a table to go with these chairs. But they're really cute and nice. So yeah, we got to fix the patio up as well. So when we out there this summer, having barbecues and inviting friends and family over. So yeah, so we finna get this brunch started and
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
the birthday spread we got for the birthday girl. We got sausage. They look a little burnt, but they not burnt ready. We got hash browns, eggs, smothered potatoes, requested by my son, and then the heart-shaped waffles. All right, we're gonna go ahead and sing happy birthday to the birthday girl.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna. She embarrassed. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michaela. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Mommy love you. Mwah. All right, we finna eat. Eat.
Mom, gotta eat right now.
All right. Ooh, let me bring this camera. All right. So, okay, the birthday girl gets served first. Okay, let Mama fix your plate. You gonna fix it? Okay, I guess you can fix it. You the birthday girl. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all say those. Some of those Mikey requested those.
Okay, the husband.
And I do mine. Eric?
Baby, Eric gonna get hers. Y'all help her out.
That's too much for my
I know. I'm gonna take some of it.